Hello friends. Today I am here with one more interesting book which gives us an insight in importance of the mindset while doing any job. Begin with the end in mind is a principle from Stephen Covey's book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Here's a step-by-step summary of the key concepts presented in this principle. 1. Clarify your vision. The principle emphasizes the importance of defining your long-term vision or desired outcome in life. This involves clarifying your values, goals, and priorities to create a clear mental image of what you want to achieve. 2. Set goals. Once you have a clear vision, the next step is to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals that align with your vision. These goals serve as milestones or benchmarks that guide your actions and decisions. 3. Prioritize your activities. With your vision and goals in mind, prioritize your activities and tasks based on their alignment with your values and objectives. Focus on high priority tasks that contribute to your long-term vision, and delegate or eliminate tasks that are less important or do not align with your goals. 4. Develop a personal mission statement. Covey suggests creating a personal mission statement that articulates your core values, principles, and goals. Your mission statement serves as a guiding compass that helps you stay focused and aligned with your vision and purpose. 5. Visualize success. Practice visualization techniques to mentally rehearse and imagine yourself achieving your goals and living your desired future. Visualization helps reinforce your commitment to your vision and motivates you to take consistent action toward your goals. 6. Align your actions with your values. Ensure that your daily actions and decisions are aligned with your values and long-term vision. Evaluate whether your activities contribute to your overall goals and make adjustments as needed to stay on course. 7. Practice proactive planning. Adopt a proactive mindset by anticipating future challenges and opportunities and planning your actions accordingly. Anticipate potential obstacles or setbacks and develop contingency plans to address them effectively. 8. Review and reflect regularly. Schedule regular reviews and reflections to assess your progress toward your goals and adjust your plans as needed. Celebrate your successes, learn from your mistakes, and use feedback to continuously improve and refine your approach. 9. Stay committed and persistent. Stay committed to your vision and goals, even in the face of adversity or setbacks. Maintain a positive attitude, persevere through challenges, and keep taking steps toward your desired future. By beginning with the end in mind and aligning your actions with your long-term vision and values, you can increase your clarity, focus, and effectiveness in achieving your goals and living a purposeful and fulfilling life. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!